Hello my hungry friends, my name is Anna. In 2001, I moved to America from my hometown of Szczecin, Poland to be with the love of my life, Mark. While living in the US, I realized that I wanted to share my passion for Polish cuisine with America and the world. So finally, in 2015, I started a Polish food blog. After my husband retired from the army, we decided to start a new adventure in my native home. We spend our time showing the world the wonders of Polish cooking in our kitchen, and sometimes we shut down our kitchen and explore Poland together to find as much good food as we can. Welcome to Polish Kitchen. Hello my hungry friends!
Hello, this is Walter with Polish Kitchen. Anna and I will soon be cooking from our new Polish cookbook called Dumplings and Dragons. We will be cooking Polish hamburgers with young potato and dill and cucumber salad.
Hey, he's doing all my job for me today. Well done, Walter.
Thank you.
Have you ever had this before?
No.
So, Polish hamburgers, they're little brown patties about this big.
Okay.
They're gonna make out of ground meat.
Okay.
And then we're gonna boil some young potatoes to go along with it. And we're gonna make a salad out of cucumbers.
Cool.
Have you had any of this ever before?
I've had potato, eggs, butter, carrots, and cucumber.
Okay. Do you like cucumbers?
Yes.
Do you eat meat?
Yes.
You do? Okay, well, good. We'll get to taste it later.
Okay.
So you're gonna be the chef today. I'm just gonna be your helper.
Okay.
You're gonna have to do most of the work, unfortunately.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Dumplings and Dragons cookbook, along with... Oh, Hannah should do this part. I'm gonna have my daughter Hannah tell you about this book. Come over in the middle so you can be in on my mic.
Dumplings and Dragons is a Polish cookbook in English with Polish legends at the back, so you can understand and know the characters that are cooking with you along the way. There are 5 Polish legends and many, many very delicious recipes that you can cook with your parents or with any other family members that you would like.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Good job. Okay, so we're gonna start by, so we have instructions for 2 things, for our salad and for our hamburgers.
Okay.
But we're also gonna cook potatoes, but with the potatoes there really isn't that much work. We're just gonna add water to it and then we're gonna set it in the back to boil.
Got it.
Got it? Okay, so I'll go get the water.
Ah.
Yeah, so I have this here, I'll bring it to you. We're gonna add
1 teaspoon.
We're gonna add 2 teaspoons. And I'm just gonna set it over here to boil, okay? Okay, next we're gonna work on our salad. So to make our salad, we have to peel those cucumbers first.
Okay.
Bring the bowl and everything. Okay, I have, can you use a knife?
Yes.
Or should we use these instead?
I think these are okay.
Okay, go grab one, but you have to be careful too because they're sharp. This is the sharp end. So we're gonna be going like this. Gotta push a little bit hard, okay? We're gonna cut away, watch out, it's really, really sharp, okay? We're gonna cut away the little ends. Yep, away from the fingers, there we go. And then switch, yep, there we go, good job. And let's set this aside. And take another one, yep. Good job. And one more. Away from the fingers, okay? You're a pretty good chef for only being 9.
Thank you.
Careful, careful.
So many pieces of cucumber.
I know, right? Now I'm gonna put it in this bowl. And put it all in this bowl. So we are using 6 cucumbers. And if you can't find these little pickling cucumbers,
What are pickling cucumbers?
so those are the little ones that we just saw. And you can get the English cucumber that's long and it's thin and long. Do you remember seeing those?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna put a little salt on it. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yep, that's good. Now we'll mix this around just a little bit to get the salt in there. And then we have to set these aside for... Now we're gonna work on our meatballs, our little hamburgers. So this is our meat, and we have half a kilo, 500 grams. And to it we're gonna add, I have 1 cooked carrot right in there, but we have to smash it with a fork. You probably don't like cutting onions, do you?
I've never tried.
No, yeah. It's not pleasant. So we're gonna be using, in the recipe it says half an onion, but because they're so small, I'm gonna use the whole thing. There, you got one done, one more. Do you have any questions so far?
No.
Everything is clear, huh?
Uh-huh.
All right, this may be your signature dish from now on.
Maybe.
So you continue with the carrot. I'm gonna start sauteing this onion. We're gonna add both of these.
I have cooked a pizza once.
The whole pizza?
Yeah.
The whole thing from start to finish?
Well, I just got the batter to roll it out, and I put the red sauce on it, and then some pineapple. then
Pineapple on a pizza?
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing. We can put your smashed carrots in here.
Okay.
There's some utensils, whatever you need, you can grab. Do you wonder why we're putting carrot in the meat?
Why?
That's a really good question. Because carrots have flavor, so we're adding more flavor to the meat so they're delicious when they're done. And I have this onion that I've sauteed. This is hot, so I'm gonna tip it over, okay? I'm gonna add it to our meat too. And that's gonna be extra flavor as well. Okay, and to add even more flavor to it, what do you think we should add?
The egg.
Good, let's do it. We'll put it right in the middle here. You know how to break an egg?
Yes.
Awesome. And what else do you think we should put in? There, wipe your hands here.
The salt.
Hey, good idea. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of salt. Good job.
Yeah.
I'm gonna also add a little bit of pepper. And I have it in the grinder here. But because not everybody likes super spicy, I'm not gonna put a whole lot in there, okay? And then we're gonna add these breadcrumbs, and they're
Those are
measured out already.
breadcrumbs?
You can dump the whole thing. There you go. And I also have this parsley that I'm gonna chop up, okay?
Okay.
I don't want your fingers going in our ground pork patties hamburgers. So it's okay if an adult helps sometimes.
Okay.
Want to try it like this?
Sure.
And put your hand. Are you right-handed?
Yes.
Okay. And then this will go on top. No, flat. Like this. And just up and down. Look, Mom, I'm using a big knife. Well done. And all this we have to transfer to our ground pork patties too. We don't want, now we have to mix all of this together so it's combined. Do you like working with your hands, or would you prefer to work with utensils?
I can work with my hands.
Okay, so you can just put your hand in there and mash it all up together.
Careful of your watch.
It feels so weird.
Doesn't it? Especially when you touch the egg and you gotta get it all in there. Okay, I think we're mixed. I think we're ready to form our patties. You can keep your hands dirty because we're just gonna have to do it with our hands. And what I normally do is I take a little bit in with a spoon, and this will make super small ones, or these will make a little bit bigger ones. So what we're gonna do is take a little bit in our hand, and then we're gonna kind of roll it around and make a ball. Yeah. And then flatten it a little bit. Yep, this is good. We're just gonna set them over here for now, and then we'll fry them all together. You can make them as big as you think you want to eat one. So if you want bigger ones, you can make them bigger. If you like them a little smaller, you can make them smaller. You're the boss in the kitchen. Since you're cooking, you get to do what you want. They're so colorful, huh?
I know.
You can see the carrots and you can see the parsley.
I can also see some of the ground breadcrumbs.
Okay, now we can wash our hands and we're gonna finish the cucumber. Okay, so we're almost ready to eat, huh, Walter? Awesome. Hope you're hungry. Remove these and we're gonna finish our cucumber salad. Now, do you know why they were resting this whole time?
Why?
Well, we put salt on them and we want the salt to kind of dissolve in the cucumbers so it's all nice and even. Now to it, we're gonna add this sour cream. You can add all of it. Okay, and we're gonna do a squeeze of lemon. And lastly, we're gonna do a little bit of this, you know what this is called?
What?
I'm asking you.
No.
Dill.
I don't. Dill.
See, I forgot because I'm Polish. And English is my second language. So I forget words sometimes. This is called dill. And we're going to add this to our... I'm going to cut it this time.
Sure.
Remember how I taught you how to do it? Yep. And from the start. Rest. So you rest the tip and you just push. Not my fingers.
Sorry.
I'm just joking. You didn't get my fingers. Fingers straight, fingers straight. There we go. And we're going to come back a little bit just to make it a little bit smaller. And that's it. You can put all of that in the bowl. And then we're going to mix all that together and our salad is done.
Got a lot of sour cream.
All right, well, good. You can just set it aside over here and we'll have some together when we're done. Last but not least, we're gonna fry our kotlety, our hamburgers.
Should I put it on
Okay, hang on, I'm gonna put some oil in first.
so it doesn't stick?
Doesn't stick. I'm gonna make it hot yet. Now this is really hot, so we're gonna have to be very careful. I think we're gonna use our utensils for it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put one on here. Yep. I'm gonna come close. Yep. And I'm gonna push it over. There you go. Teamwork is a dream work. Be careful not to touch the pan, okay? How many will you eat?
2, maybe? I've got a very small stomach.
Well, 2 is a lot.
Really?
Yeah. I think I can only eat 1.
Really?
But you're a growing boy, so...
I know.
Should we get our plates ready so we can eat after this?
Sure.
Okay. Here's 5 plates. What do you think? Are these looking pretty good?
Yeah, they're looking really good.
Should we start making plates?
Sure.
Okay, if you want to spread them out, just line them up here. And this pot is a little warm, so be careful with it, okay? So I covered the pot a little bit so I keep the heat in and the meat can cook all the way through. You know, we don't want to eat raw meat, right?
I think that's good.
You think that's good? Let's flip them one more time and see what they look like. You want to put a little bit of Miseria on each plate.
Sure. Oops.
That's okay. This is the kitchen. It's not a lab. It's okay if it gets dirty. Okay, who should this one be for?
This one, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, let's taste it. Come on, Mom.
This looks good. High five. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
High five to you too.
Let's try it.
Here we go. Here we go. Walter's first Maloney.
I liked it.
Yeah?
Well,
You think you'll make it again?
Maybe.
All right, friends. Recipe from the most recent Polish cookbook, Dumplings and Dragons. Meal provided by Walter. Thank you,
you.
Walter.
You're welcome.
Good job. More at polishyourkitchen.com, and go back and watch our other videos. Thanks to Yolanda and Walter for being here. And smacznego, everyone. See you next
Bye.
time.
Bye.
good job, everybody.
Oh, yeah, we forgot to say smacznego before eating.
Od początku.
O, przeważnie.
Dumplings and Dragons.
Can I get you a beer or anything?
No, thank you.
Wait.
Now there's going to be controversial comments.
From Paul included.